Welcome to USA Smart Shop. If you are looking for the best car phone holder to keep your device secure, accessible, and safe while driving, you are in the right place. In this video, we will cover the top 5 best car phone holders available today. These holders are selected based on stability, ease of use, compatibility, and overall value. Let's get started. We have included links in the description. Number 1. Vanmas 85 Plus LBS strongest suction and military-grade ultimate car mount patent and safety certs cell phone holder truck stand for GPS vehicle dashboard windshield vent for iPhone Samsung, clear black. The Vanmas car phone mount is engineered for drivers who prioritize stability, durability, and long-term reliability. Built with a reinforced suction cup rated at over 85 pounds of holding force, it is designed to maintain a secure grip on dashboards, windshields, and even certain vent setups without loosening over time. The suction mechanism features a multi-layer gel pad that adheres firmly to flat surfaces while remaining reusable. After cleaning with water and allowing it to dry, the suction regains its strength, extending the product's lifespan. This makes it practical for users who switch vehicles or reposition their mount frequently. Constructed with high-density materials and reinforced structural components, the mount is marketed as military-grade for durability. The adjustable arm provides flexible viewing angles, allowing drivers to position their phones for optimal GPS visibility without blocking their line of sight. The cradle design supports a wide range of smartphones, including larger Pro Max and Plus models. The clamp system secures the phone firmly while allowing quick one-hand insertion and removal. Anti-slip silicone padding protects devices from scratches and vibration during rough road conditions. Its versatility stands out, offering compatibility with dashboard, windshield, and vent mounting options. This flexibility allows drivers to choose the safest and most convenient placement depending on vehicle layout. Number 2. Andabil Car Phone Holder, 2026 military-grade 89-pound strongest suction phone holders for your car dashboard windshield vent easy clamp cell phone holder truck stand for iPhone 17, 16, 15 Pro Max, blue. The Andabil Car Phone Holder is designed to deliver enhanced suction strength and structural reinforcement for drivers who require dependable device stability. Rated at up to 89 pounds of suction force, it focuses on maintaining grip even under heat exposure or extended driving conditions. Its advanced suction cup uses upgraded adhesive gel technology to create a secure seal on dashboards and windshields. The locking mechanism increases downward pressure to strengthen the hold, reducing the risk of detachment during sharp turns or uneven terrain. The adjustable telescopic arm extends and pivots to provide customizable viewing angles. Drivers can position their phone vertically or horizontally for navigation, calls, or media control while maintaining clear road visibility. The clamp mechanism supports a wide range of smartphone sizes, including the latest large format models. A one-touch release system allows for quick phone removal, while internal silicone padding reduces vibration and prevents scratches. The mount offers dashboard, windshield, and vent installation options, giving users flexibility based on vehicle design and personal preference. Its reinforced construction and shock-absorbing design help maintain phone stability during long drives. Designed for everyday commuting and long-distance travel, the Andabil phone holder emphasizes high suction strength, adjustable positioning, and durable build quality for consistent in-car performance. Number 3. CHgeek Wireless Car Charger, 15W Fast Charging Auto Clamping Phone Holders for your car phone mount for CarFit for iPhone 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12 Pro Max 11 XR XS, Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra S24 S23, black. The CHgeek Wireless Car Charger combines phone mounting stability with 15W fast wireless charging, creating a 2-in-1 solution for drivers who rely heavily on navigation and extended screen use. Designed for compatibility with both iPhone and Samsung Galaxy models, it supports fast charging protocols for a wide range of devices. The automatic clamping mechanism uses built-in sensors to detect when a phone is placed inside the cradle. Once detected, the arms close securely around the device, holding it firmly in position. This hands-free feature simplifies one-handed operation, especially useful when entering or exiting the vehicle quickly. The 15W charging output ensures efficient power delivery for compatible devices, helping maintain battery levels during long commutes or road trips. For phones that support lower charging speeds, the mount automatically adjusts output to ensure safe and stable charging performance. The mount typically includes dashboard or windshield installation options, along with adjustable viewing angles. The rotating ball joint allows for both portrait and landscape orientation, making it easy to switch between navigation and media control views. Internal padding reduces vibration and helps protect the phone from scratches during movement. The clamp arms maintain stability even on uneven roads, minimizing shaking while driving. This model is well suited for drivers who want the convenience of wireless charging integrated into a secure and adjustable car mount system. Number 4. Andiri Car Phone Holder for MagSafe, 78 Plus LBS strongest suction and 2400 GF magnetic, 360 degrees adjustable car phone mount, phone holders for your car for iPhone 17 to 12 Pro Max Plus Air, carbon fiber. The Andiri MagSafe car phone holder is designed specifically for magnetic alignment with MagSafe compatible iPhones. With over 78 pounds of suction strength and a magnetic force rated at 2400 GF, it focuses on delivering both surface stability and magnetic security. The powerful suction cup attaches firmly to dashboards or windshields, using a locking mechanism that reinforces grip strength. This helps maintain consistent hold even under heat exposure or long driving sessions. The magnetic mounting surface aligns precisely with MagSafe-equipped iPhones, allowing quick snap-on attachment without mechanical clamps. This design enables seamless one-handed operation and fast phone placement. The 360-degree adjustable ball joint allows drivers to rotate the phone to their preferred viewing angle. Whether using GPS navigation or taking hands-free calls, the adjustable positioning supports safer driving visibility. The carbon fiber styling adds a modern aesthetic that complements many vehicle interiors. Its compact magnetic head design keeps the dashboard area uncluttered while maintaining strong holding power. This mount is ideal for drivers who prefer magnetic convenience, strong suction stability, and quick attachment without traditional clamping arms. Number 5. Vanmas Car Phone Holder 2026 Ultimate Military Grade Phone Holder for your car windshield dashboard. Newest best strongest cell phone car mount with patent and safety certs for iPhone, Samsung, Android. The Vanmas 2026 Ultimate Military Grade Car Phone Holder is built for durability and maximum stability. Designed with reinforced materials and tested for high holding strength, it focuses on maintaining a secure grip on dashboards and windshields under demanding conditions. The upgraded suction system uses multi-layer adhesive gel combined with a mechanical locking lever to increase downward pressure. This design enhances overall holding strength and reduces the risk of detachment due to vibration or heat. The adjustable telescopic arm extends and pivots, allowing flexible positioning for optimal viewing angles. Drivers can adjust tilt and rotation to accommodate both portrait and landscape modes for navigation or media use. The cradle supports a wide range of smartphone sizes, including large format devices. A one-hand release button allows quick removal, while internal silicone padding stabilizes the phone and minimizes vibration during travel. Its multi-surface compatibility provides dashboard and windshield installation flexibility. The overall construction emphasizes long-term durability and structural reinforcement for daily commuting, trucking, or rideshare driving. This mount is well suited for users seeking high suction strength, reinforced build quality, and adjustable viewing options in a versatile car phone holder. That's our list of the top 5 best car phone holders here on USA Smart Shop. Each phone holder offers unique features depending on your vehicle and device needs. You'll find updated prices and purchase links in the description below. If this video helped you, please like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more product reviews.